Do you enjoy streaming series and movies? What streaming platform do you employ? If you're anything like me and the majority of people on the planet, you undoubtedly use Netflix to watch your favorite TV shows and films. Isn't it a fantasy to earn money while watching Netflix? What if I told you that was in fact a possibility? Follow along in this video to see how you can earn money online while binge-watching Netflix. The techniques and suggestions we'll offer are certain to be current and certainly implementable at home, so you can make money whenever you want. Welcome to the channel Zilla Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. If you have any queries or know of any alternative techniques, please share them in the comments section below. But let's return to the video for the time being. I'm going to show you something in today's video that not many people are aware of yet. In fact, simply viewing Netflix movies and programs can earn you money. You should use Google to search for Netflix jobs. There are numerous things you will see once you arrive at the Netflix jobs website. Ignore everything and concentrate only on the search, employment, and keyword sections. Observe the search bar? If so, type tagger into the search bar to find the term. Currently, Netflix is the most popular streaming service where you can view movies, TV series, documentaries, and more. Do you currently watch any TV shows or motion pictures? We appreciate your feedback. Comment below with your comments if you feel that this video will be of use to you so that you won't miss out on future uploads or videos. Back to the video after pressing the notification bell and liking and subscribing while we're at it. Have you used the search bar to look for tagger? If you did, you need to keep in mind that this chance is only constrained by the timing of your search. Depending on when you search, you'll probably get different results, which means different jobs are available. If you perform a search for a tagger and discover a job vacancy, be sure to apply straight away. As a tagger, what you will need to do is watch content and add keywords to it so that Netflix users can more easily find what they're looking for. For instance, Extraordinary Attorney Boo is currently among the most well-known episodes available on Netflix. If you watch this program, you may categorize it as drama or another appropriate tag to learn what genres and categories it falls under. What positions, other than fixed jobs, did you notice on the website? Have you discovered anything intriguing? This section of the website displays various job vacancies from across the globe. I discovered the job after searching. You may earn money by simply watching Netflix, as I've already indicated and will do so again. So, whenever you can, check the Netflix jobs page to see if the position is still open. If you want to confirm that this is a real job that people have, just Google Netflix tagger, in case you didn't think it was possible. Simply watching TV episodes and movies might earn you money. Isn't that the ideal occupation? On Netflix, you can watch whatever you want and be paid. Perhaps the simplest way to earn money online is now. Take advantage of the fact that not many people are aware of this. Check the Netflix website as frequently as you can to see if any positions are available. Instead of paying Netflix to watch, enjoy watching Netflix and earn money from it. You work, unwind, and take pleasure in free Netflix. Amazing! Please share your thoughts with us in the space below. We would like to congratulate you and celebrate your victory after you get hired as a Netflix stacker. The real dream job is to watch Netflix while being paid. What did you want to be when you were younger? What do you currently want to do? Do you still have your ideal career in mind, or did you already achieve it? We will support you along the way, no matter where you are. In the comments box below, please let us know where you are in the process of finding your dream job. We welcome your feedback. If you appreciate this video and think it will help you achieve your financial objectives this year, hit the notification bell for additional likes and subscribe. Now let's return to the video's further thrilling aspects. You are mistaken, my buddy, if you believe that the video for today is done. We wish to present you another application. The name of this one is Userlytics. Have you ever heard of this? This is your fortunate day if you haven't. You can get paid by Userlytics to test websites and mobile apps. You have another simple means of earning money online. When you're ready, we'll move on to the Userlytics portion of this video. Open your browser now so that we may navigate to the website. Are you using a browser? In that case, you must visit userlytics.com. Do you enjoy using Netflix to view movies and TV shows? Or do you relish trying out new websites and apps? Whichever option you favor. On today's video, you can make money in both methods. Start started by sharing your opinions in the section below, exactly like you would with Userlytics. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video and would want to see more in the future. Since you are already a subscriber, while you're at it, click the like and share icons. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be informed of every upload we make. Resuming with the video, when you visit userlytics.com, you'll discover a wealth of alternatives and site knowledge. Also stated on the page, simple user interface. Testing. Do you see this when you enter userlytics.com into your web browser? You are on the right website if you found this page. There is a lot of website information on this page. Please feel free to browse and scroll down. Once you've finished browsing, you must register to make money by filling out a quick and simple form. You must click the test or sign up button in the upper right corner of your screen to access the sign up page. You see that button, right? If you do, fantastic. We can go on. Just talking about yourself and responding to a few questions should be entertaining. Don't you want to be compensated for sharing your thoughts? Simple and effortless. By giving your sincere input on a project, you can receive $5, $10, or $20 via PayPal. The website is accessible from anywhere in the world. You only need to follow the instructions. The website is expanding quickly. You can utilize desktop computers, mobile devices, such as Android and iPhone, as well as the built-in microphone on your phone, to take advantage of this possibility. To get started right away, search for the app on Google Play and the Apple App Store. On the sign-up page, all of this information may be found in a few scroll downs. So don't pass up the opportunity to make money online simply by experimenting. And that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed in this video, please like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell for new videos uploaded weekly. See you next video.